This is a model question for our level 2 exam. Let's check it out. What does the NOM abbreviation refer to as a standalone term? The abbreviation. A, registration number. B, distillery. C, regulation. And D, Mexican tax authority. Let's just stick to the question, because most of the time the problem is, not taking a kind of a really clear focus on the question. So we need to know the NOM as an abbreviation. N stands for norma, O stands for oficial, M stands for mexicana. This is the Mexican official norms or normativity, normas. So it's kind of, like you can say it's a standard, but if you understand where it all comes from, it is literally a regulation. Rules, regulations, quality standard for certain products and processes. This is kind of what the NOM stand for. So it's going to be C, a regulation. Some people would put like registration number or distillery, because many people use the term as NOM number, because on a tequila label, the NOM is followed by a number, but that's the registry number for the distillery, which is issued by the CRT. So in a sense, it should be CRT number, but just people started to use the term as NOM number, and this is how the whole industry is now using it. But don't get confused. NOM actually refers to a piece of legislation, which is NOM 006 SCFI 2012. And that is a legislation piece that will govern everything that has to do with the quality of tequila, right? So, for example, you can't just poison people with the tequila. And in fact, most of the products in Mexico, especially electrical appliances, will have a certain NOM designation for the same reason that, let's say, when you change the light bulb, it's not gonna kill you. Okay, so that's kind of the whole idea for the NOM. It's a quality standard, more like the ISO international standards, but it is the Mexican standards or Norma Oficial Mexicana.